Hey guys, Hazen here with ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be defining some key terms for WaterFed technology and what they mean to you. So now let's talk about some pure water terminology. The first one we want to mention is TDS. This is huge. It's total dissolved solids. It's measured in parts per million, and it's a measurement of the impurity level of your water. The average TDS level across the United States is about 100 parts per million, but it can vary widely depending on where you are and what type of water you're using. One school of thought in water purification is using DI resin only. A DI system filters water on its own. You get pure water from this. In multi-stage systems or RODI systems, you utilize multiple types of filters to filter the water. CS or carbon sediment filters filter the RO or reverse osmosis filter, which then goes into the DI or deionization filter. All these filters are used in unison to filter your water completely. So in this video, we discuss some key WaterFed terminology and what they mean to you. Thanks so much for watching.